Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black side below my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So yeah, I just got the package. So if you guys don't know, if y'all seen my previous video, I talked about the GameSir G8 Galileo. Before I get into it, I want to give a big shout out to the Amazon driver that actually dropped off my package. Yo, I gotta say, yo, she was fine. Woo! And she's watching the video, so I gotta say, girl, you fine. You know, you got me. She recognized me, and she knows that I do YouTube. As soon as she recognized and seen who I was, she already that's a whole different story. But yeah, Ariana, you fine. You know, if I wasn't married, you know, okay. Yeah, let's get this out the way real quick. Yeah, like I said, big shout outs to her. So, package, y'all know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Oh man. So we just ripped it like that. It doesn't matter. We ain't need to do that big because this is going directly in the garbage. So we got another one. If you guys didn't know what happened, if you've seen my previous video, I told you guys basically what happened. I got it yesterday. I did next day. Actually, I purchased this today. Got it the same day. So yeah, if you guys don't know, here's the original one right here. And basically, this was broken. So when I opened it up, the first thing I did was move it up and down like this to see what everybody was talking about with the swivel. And when I was doing it, I noticed that this was loose. So yeah, this is going back to AliExpress. I'm getting a full refund for it. So yeah, basically I didn't really pay much for nothing with this. I only paid $20 for this because the refund back that I've got, just put an extra 20 bucks in, got this. Even though I had to use more money, I'm getting reimbursed back. And I already talked with GameSir. So product review, getting my money back. So yeah, so that being said, let's do the unboxing for the second time. Hopefully we don't rip this box. Get that out the way. Get that out the way. While I'm opening this up, I just wanted to talk to you guys. As I stated to you guys, warning before you buy this, just so that you be the one, just be very careful how you input your own phone, how you put it in and take it out, because it's a problem. So just got to be real easy how you do it. Like before, I might have to rip this box. Oh no, that one's a little bit easier. Okay, no pain, no gain, right? Ouch, I just bit my finger. I bent it. Y'all probably seen that, right? You probably seen my finger go all the way back. If I can do a replay and like an edit, I could probably show my finger getting bent back like that. That shit hurt. Ouch. It hurts, boys. It hurts. So yeah. Second one. It's the second one, number 2 right here. Got the regular stuff. Get this out the box. And let's double check it. Yeah, it's wobbly. I'm just concerned that this one may break also. As you can see, it's wobbly, but not compared to this one. This one, like, look. Y'all see that? I literally had to put something in it. If I didn't put this tape inside of it and this thing, basically when I was pressing the trigger, it wasn't even working. So when I was pressing the triggers, nothing was working. I mean, this wasn't working and this wasn't working. So I guess basically when this got separated, it affected these 2 buttons right there. But everything else was working on this. So yeah, this is going back in the box. This is going back to AliExpress. I'm gonna send this in Monday. And yeah, this is the new one. I'm gonna get back and play some Call of Duty on Call of Duty Mobile and some Call of Duty Warzone, and tell you how we go from there. All right, it's the second one. We're gonna play with this one right now, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace, deuces, one, and I'm out of here. And I gotta update this. I'm gonna do a full video showing you how to upgrade everything, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.